Hi there, Year 2s. It's back again with maths with Mrs. Sweeney. Hope you've had a wonderful start of the week and are ready for some more exciting maths learning today. So, grab your journals and your learning partner and let's begin. Our challenge today is to carry on as we did start on our Monday's learning with solving some word problems, okay? But this time I need you to turn your brains on because we want to do some careful thinking, which means you have to do some careful reading and interpreting or taking in information that is given to you in your word problems, okay? So let's look at this lovely and focused task in front of us. So we've got a top here and this lovely person's telling us that it costs £17. But he's also telling us that this costs £9 less than the blue top. Okay, so the question he's asking us is how much do the pink top and the blue top cost all together? So what is the total cost of the blue and pink all together? So you've got to think carefully now about what you already know. What information have you been given already? Okay, and which is the bit that you are not sure of, or which is the bit that that's missing? Which piece of information have you not been given? Okay, so let's look through it carefully. So here I've got my pink top and I've got my bar model to tell me the cost. It costs £17 and I can double check that it's got £17 tagged to it. So I know that the total cost of the pink top is £17. However, here I've got a little message telling me that this top, that is the pink top, costs less at £9 less than the blue top, which means we can also say that the blue top must cost £9 more than the pink top. Okay, so if you're still unsure, you can pause the video and have a discussion with your learning partner about what we're trying to understand here. Okay, so if the pink top is £9 less than the blue top will automatically be £9 more than the pink top. Okay, so the total cost of the pink top would be the total cost of the pink top and adding the £9 to it. So we've got to find out how much that costs. So let's have a look. So here we are. So we've got the total cost of the pink top, which is £17. And here I'm going to find the cost of the blue top by adding on the £9 because I know already from my little messenger that the blue top costs £9 more than the pink top. So I know that pink top costs £17, so I'm just going to add £9 more to it. So my total cost of the blue top is £26. Okay, but how much do they both cost altogether? That was our final question. That was our final question. So there's two parts to this problem. So we had to find out what the cost of the blue top was, so that now we can find out the cost of the pink top and the blue top all together, because that was our question. So what is the number sentence that we need to calculate? So pause the video, go back to the previous slide if you need to, come back after your discussion and we'll work on it together. Thank you, Year 2s. I bet you worked really hard and thought carefully through with your partners at home. Let's have a look at what we actually need to do. So, you are adding the cost of the pink top, which is £17, to the cost of the blue top, which we've just worked out now, which is £26. And you're finding out the total amount of money that it costs to buy both these tops. So there are a couple of things that you could do that we've already done together in school. Okay, you could partition the tens and ones. So for each number, each amount, you could partition the tens and ones and add them up together, add up all the tens and add up all the ones. You could also use addition by the column method, which we've done, and you could use the method in the way that we've done at school, using the exchanging of the tens. Okay, and you might also know another way of doing addition, you know. So if you have used another way, tell Miss Pope and I what that other way was. What other method have you used to find out the total cost? So you can pause the video now and have a go at doing that for us, and we will move on in a moment. Brilliant. Thank you for coming back, and hope you were able to solve that problem using the 3 different methods, or more different methods, different ways of getting to that final answer. For our guided practice, here I have got 3 problems which I'd like you to read through and solve with your learning partner. Remember, your learning partner can read the question out to you. You've got your journals or your notebooks, whatever you're using at home to help jot down information that you need. You've got to think carefully about what it's asking you to do, okay? And think about the mathematical operation you've got to use as well. So have a go, pause the video here, have a go at doing these word problems with your learning partner, and then we can move on. Well done. For our worksheet today, we have got some word problems again, okay? So again, I'm going to ask your lovely learning partners to support you at home in reading those tricky words or understanding what the question needs you to do. I would also encourage your learning partners to draw out more verbal cues from the Year 2 children at home, and this would encourage them to think some more and to enable them to answer and reason with you in order to establish what they actually need to do. So have that lovely learning conversation together at home in order to help you find what you have to do in order to find the solution to these problems. So you've got question 1 and 2 there, and then you've got another couple of questions, and I've got a top tip here for you to draw a bar model to help you, or act out the problem. Pretend that you're Hannah and Holly or whoever the characters are in your problem. So pretend that you've got embedded in their characters, and you bring out the money that you've got, the play money at home, and you say, I've got this much money, you've got this much money, I'm Hannah, you're Holly, and actually act out the problem together. Draw a bar model to help you. You can do this, Year 2s. So there's your next couple of questions there, okay? Finally, as always, we love hearing from you. Get back to us with your home learning on this email address, and we look forward to seeing you all very soon. Take care then. Bye-bye.